Hi, I'm Chell, Senior Assessment Lead for Cloud Academy. I currently live in Pleasanton, California, but I'm originally from Baltimore, Maryland. As the Assessment Lead, I manage Cloud Academy's library of thousands of questions and hundreds of quizzes and exams. I'm very lucky because I get to work in every area that Cloud Academy covers, whether it's AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, or something else entirely. I have certifications in Azure, AWS, and GCP, but that's really because I have the ability to research all of those areas and spend quite a lot of time researching the certifications for each of those platforms. I've worked in education publishing for the past 12 years, and specifically with testing for the past 7 years. It all started when I had the opportunity to build an adaptive learning system which gauges someone's progress question by question and gives them personalized content based on their performance. And that was the first real time that I had the chance to work in depth with testing and questions, and I got the opportunity to see how much I really enjoy it. And that's what's led to my work here at Cloud Academy. What I enjoy most about my job is the fact that I get the chance to help people get knowledge that's going to help them with either the work that they do or with the work that they want to do. And when I hear that people have passed certifications using Cloud Academy, or that they've passed one of their learning paths and they're very happy about it, that's really as good as it gets.